Welcome to our guide on how to automate your YouTube channel. In today's fast-paced world, it's important to make the most of your time and resources. And one of the best ways to do that is by automating certain tasks on your YouTube channel. Whether it's scheduling posts, maximizing your growth, or increasing your revenue, automation can help you do it all. In this guide, we'll show you the best software and strategies to automate your YouTube channel and take it to the next level. So grab a notebook and let's get started. The first point in the video is an introduction to the concept of automating a YouTube channel. In this section, we will explain why automating certain tasks on your YouTube channel can be beneficial for your business or personal brand. We will discuss how automation can help you save time by automating repetitive tasks, such as scheduling posts or analyzing data. We will also mention how automation can help you increase your revenue by maximizing your growth and engagement on the platform. Additionally, we will provide some statistics and examples of successful YouTube channels that have implemented automation strategies to grow their audience and increase their income. This section serves as an overview of the video and sets the context for the rest of the video. The second point in the video is the benefits of automating your YouTube channel. In this section, we will go into more detail about the specific advantages of using automation on YouTube. First, we will discuss how automation can help you save time by automating repetitive tasks such as scheduling posts, creating thumbnails, and adding tags. This will allow you to focus on creating high-quality content and engaging with your audience. We will also mention how automation can help increase your revenue by maximizing your growth and engagement on the platform. By automating tasks such as posting at optimal times, promoting videos on social media, and analyzing metrics, you can increase your visibility and reach a larger audience. This can lead to more views, subscribers, and ultimately, higher revenue from ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Additionally, we will mention how automation can help you with audience engagement by scheduling comments and live streaming, as well as with optimization of your video. Finally, in this section we will provide some examples of how automation can be used in real-life scenarios, such as scheduling and promoting a video launch, or creating a consistent posting schedule, which can help you increase your audience and revenue over time. The third point in the video is a list of the best software and tools for automating YouTube tasks. In this section, we will introduce the audience to different software and tools that are available for automating different tasks on YouTube. We will explain the features and capabilities of each tool and provide examples of how they can be used to automate tasks such as scheduling posts, creating thumbnails, and analyzing data. Some of the software and tools that we will mention in this section include Hootsuite, a social media management platform that allows you to schedule posts on multiple platforms, including YouTube. Canva, a graphic design tool that can be used to create custom thumbnails for your videos. TubeBuddy, a browser extension that can be used to optimize your videos, analyze data, and schedule posts. IFTTT, a platform that allows you to create custom recipes to automate tasks, such as automatically sharing your YouTube videos on social media. Adobe Premiere, a video editing software that can be used to automate tasks such as color correction, audio mixing, and adding special effects. We will also mention some free and paid version of these tools and will provide some pros and cons of each one. This section will provide the audience with an overview of the different options available for automating tasks on YouTube and help them make an informed decision about which tools are best for their specific needs. The fourth point in the video is a step-by-step guide on how to set up and use these automation tools. In this section, we will provide the audience with detailed instructions on how to use the different software and tools that we introduced in the previous section. We will start with a general overview on how to set up and use each tool, including information on how to download and install the software, how to create an account, and how to navigate the interface. Then we will move on to more specific instructions on how to use each tool to automate different tasks. For example, we will show the audience how to schedule posts using Hootsuite, how to create custom thumbnails using Canva, how to optimize their videos using TubeBuddy, how to create custom recipes to automate tasks using IFTTT, and how to automate video editing tasks using Adobe Premiere. Throughout this section, we will also provide tips and best practices for using these tools effectively, and will address common issues and troubleshooting steps in case the audience faces any problem. This section is designed to be a comprehensive guide for the audience to follow along and set up automation on their own YouTube channel after watching the video. The fifth point in the video is tips and best practices for using automation to grow your YouTube audience and increase engagement. In this section, we will provide the audience with practical advice on how to effectively use automation to grow their YouTube channel and increase engagement with their audience. First, we will discuss how to schedule posts at optimal times to reach the most people and increase views and engagement. We will also explain how to use automation to promote videos on social media platforms and how to track analytics to determine the success of your automation strategies. We will also give some advice on how to use automation to engage with your audience by scheduling comments and live streaming. Additionally, we will mention how to use automation tools to optimize your video titles, tags, and descriptions to increase visibility on YouTube. Finally, we will provide some examples of successful automation strategies that have been implemented by other YouTube channels and how they were able to increase their audience and revenue. This section is designed to provide the audience with actionable tips and best practices that they can implement on their own YouTube channel to increase their audience, engagement, and income. The sixth point in the video is a demonstration of how automation can be used in real-life scenarios. In this section, we will provide the audience with an example of how automation can be used in a real-life scenario to help them better understand how it works. For example, we could use a scenario where an individual wants to launch a new video on their YouTube channel and wants to use automation to promote it and increase views. We will show them how to schedule posts on social media platforms, how to create custom thumbnails, and how to optimize their video title, tags, and descriptions. Additionally, we will show them how to track analytics to determine the success of their automation strategies. We will also provide examples of how automation can be used in other scenarios such as creating a consistent posting schedule or promoting a live stream event. This section will give the audience a clear understanding of how automation can be used in real-life scenarios and how it can help them achieve their goals. This section is designed to provide the audience with a tangible example of how automation can be used to achieve specific objectives and to make the concept of automation more relatable and actionable for them. The seventh and final point in the video is the conclusion and call to action. In this section, we will summarize the key points covered in the video and encourage the audience to take action and implement automation strategies on their own YouTube channel. First, we will remind the audience of the benefits of automating their YouTube channel, such as saving time and increasing revenue. We will also remind them of the different software and tools that are available for automating different tasks on YouTube, and the best practices and tips for using these tools effectively. Then we will encourage the audience to take action and start implementing automation strategies on their own YouTube channel. We will provide them with a call to action, such as a link to a resource page where they can find more information on automation, or a special offer for a software or tool that we have recommended in the video. Finally, we will thank the audience for watching the video and encourage them to leave comments or questions, and to subscribe to our channel for more content on YouTube automation and other relevant topics. This section is designed to drive engagement and conversions and to create a sense of urgency for the audience to take action and implement automation strategies on their own YouTube channel. Thank you for watching our video on how to automate your YouTube channel. We hope you found the information and tips provided helpful in understanding the benefits and strategies for automating your YouTube channel. Remember that automation can help you save time, increase revenue, and grow your audience. Don't hesitate to implement the strategies that we have discussed in this video to take your YouTube channel to the next level. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.